Hello everyone, welcome to this video lecture. I am Dr. Gilbert Hinge, working as an assistant professor in Assam Downtown University. I hope you all are aware of the importance of water. In fact, water is the most precious natural resources. And you must have heard someone is saying there is lack of sufficient fresh water, or you must have heard of the term water scarcity. And someone must have told you to use water carefully and judiciously. But before doing that, we should have a knowledge of how and in which form this water is available to us, how the water is distributed spatially and temporally. Then we can think of how to conserve water. Therefore, in this lecture, we will be discussing about how the water is distributed across the Earth's surface. If you look at the globe, you will see that major part of the globe is covered with water. In fact, 71% of the Earth is covered with water, leaving just 29% of the Earth as land. So when talking about the distribution of water, we will look at what percentage of water is found in ocean, in lakes, in rivers, and how much of this water is trapped deep underground or in the atmosphere. So here you can see the pie graph which shows us about the distribution of global water. So this graph was taken from Alberta environment. So from this graph, you can see that approximately 97% of water is salt water. So most of the salt water is found in ocean. However, there's a small percentage of salt water that is found underground or even in lakes, as shown in this diagram. So this leaves us about 3% of water that is available as fresh water. So if we took this small percentage of fresh water that is available on Earth, divide it up of 100%, so we can find that out of this fresh water, most of it is available in polar ice, which is not easily accessible for human consumption. Around 30.1% is available as groundwater. But this groundwater, not all of it is accessible to us because they are found deep underground. A small portion of this can be found in shallow underground, which can be used by humans such as well water. And then you can see that there's only a small percentage of water in lakes and river which is easily accessible by the human. And therefore, now I hope you have the idea about how the water is distributed on Earth. So in the future, we will talk about how to conserve this water so that we don't run out of it. Thank you.